Hello everyone, my name is Ria. Welcome back to my channel, Ria's Glam Life. Today is my birthday, so this is my birthday look. I just want to thank everyone for tuning into this video. If you're new here, I hope that you enjoy. Let me know what you think about this look in the comment section below, and let's just get straight into this look. Alright guys, so I am starting out with my eyebrows, and normally I don't do my eyebrows on camera, but for today's occasion, what the heck, I'm doing my eyebrows with CoverGirl. It's something that I got in a giveaway from Queen of Hearts LA. If you don't know who she is, you should definitely check her out. She has bomb content. And I'm just trying to carve them out, make them look nice and neat so that they can, set this look off. Next, I am priming my lids with my favorite primer, Anastasia Beverly Hills Eye Primer. This stuff works wonders. It doesn't crease, and I absolutely freaking love it. I love it. It's my favorite ultimate all-time primer. So as you guys seen, I put down my first color, which was an orange. I didn't build it up because I just wanted it down as a base color. And then I went in with a brown into the crease so that I can kind of have that deep, dark crease line. And then I used the Anastasia Beverly Hills primer to start cutting the crease. I kept looking up so that it could kind of give me a good guide because I wanted this look to be very nice and neat for the occasion. And ultimately, I think it came out very well. But you guys see, you'll see. Now I am just topping the primer that I used to cut the crease with a silver. This silver was initially in the Urban Vibes Volume 2, but there has been some changes, so please don't look for this color in the palette when it releases because it will no longer be there. But since I have it in the sample that I have, I'm definitely going to make use of it. I'm sorry that it didn't make the cut if somebody wants to use it or if you guys like this color. So of course I had to use the glitter pots from Urban Vibes Cosmetics as a topper on top of the silver. These glitter pots are freaking awesome. If you haven't tried them and you like to use glitter in your eye looks, this application is so easy. There's no mess. It's just bam wham, thank you ma'am. I absolutely love it. One of the reasons why I never used glitter was because it was such a freaking mess. So now I'm putting in between the orange and the brown a burgundy kind of pinkish violet color, and I'm going to bring it around into the crease as well, and then you will see that I'm going to kind of smoke it out with a black. I'm going to try to use brown, but it didn't quite work as good as the black. Also guys, I plan on doing a live today, so if you watch this video, please join my live this evening. I think it'll be 7:30 on my time, so tune in, come wish me happy birthday, come chill with your girl, and let's mingle. Alright guys, so I'm about to lay down this foundation, but first I primed with No Problem. I got that from Queen of Hearts as well. And then I topped it with some setting powder. It's by Makeup Revolution Banana Deep. Your makeup will not move when you apply it this way. So I'm applying Too Faced in the shade Tiramisu. And then I'm going to also use the Too Faced concealer in the color, I think it's Chestnut. And this is my favorite concealer if I'm looking for minimum coverage. If the foundation does what it's supposed to do, I really don't need a heavy concealer. Like for instance, Juvia's Place, their concealer is so heavy, you only need so much. The applicator is so big, you don't even need that much that comes on the applicator. So sometimes I kind of don't use that one simply because of that. But I contoured with Juvia's because I love their contour. And let's just watch how this look comes out together. As you see, I applied lashes as well. Those lashes are Urban Vibes Cosmetics. also in the style Amina. Amina's so natural looking, you guys. They are all the lashes are on sale. These styles won't be returning. I will be adding new styles. So once these styles are gone, they are gone. So if there's a particular style that you like, please go to the website and place your order. I know Cleopatra's out of stock, and there's a very limited on the rest of them. So I'm applying this lip liner. This lip liner is not released yet, but let me tell you, when your lip gloss wears off, this lip liner is still going to be there. It's still going to be there. So definitely cop those when they release. I'm also lining it with a gloss that I'm not sure if I'm going to add to the line or not. And then I'm topping it with another gloss that I'm not sure if I'm going to add to the line or not. So let me know in the comment section below how you like that combo and if you would like to pick those up. Thanks for tuning into this look. Have a good one.